Hey Don, my name is Lee Turbienik, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out the competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear, you become more interested on how I can help your business grow, give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video at the end. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically anything that you see in writing on your home page here, including the pictures and what they're saved as. So Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. And as we scroll down through your site, you can see that you have about maybe 200 at the moment. So I did a quick search for plumber, Columbus, Ohio. And as you can see, the Waterworks Plumbing is in first place. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had. So as you see, they have some content here, a couple pictures, some content. Not much, not nowhere near the 1,500. If you went and got the 1,500, you'd easily beat them in that aspect of Google. So let's go back now. I want to break down Google for you. Google's broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying cost per click to be advertised up here. And honestly, it can become a money pit if you don't run them effectively. But I don't feel it's necessary to be running them because if you're ranking in this map section and in this organic section, you'll have no problem bringing in traffic. So let's touch base on this map listing. As you can see, the Eco Plumbers, Green Plumbing, and Water Heat Plumbers are in first place. Now, what dictates your ranking in this section is called a citation. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So I have this tool I use called Whitespark CA, and it's a local citation finder. I plug the Eco Plumbers stuff into this, and it tells me he only has 11 citations. So the best part about this tool is we can go in, and it looks like he really only has 4 that are giving him any sort of power. So the best part though is we can go and get these couple that are submittable, go out and get 80 to 100 more for your business, and get you in this top 3 rankings, and you're going to see a significant change in traffic coming to your website. And also it's getting your name out there in more directories for people to be able to find you when they're looking for your service. So now let's go down to this organic section, and this has to deal directly with your website. Now what ranks you in this section is a backlink, and a backlink is when one website links to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen it before, little blue writing on a website, you click in, it takes you to a different website, but it's probably the same thing. Well, that's a backlink, and if one website is vouching for another website, Google eats that up and considers that a vote, basically. Because if they're willing to send their traffic from them to you guys, then that must mean you guys are a trustworthy site, and they love that. So I have this tool I use called Ahrefs, and I plugged in Plumbing 1 into this, and as you can see, you have 49 referring domains giving you almost 300 backlinks. So when I say referring domains, that's websites. So they're getting their backlinks from 49 websites, but the only ones really transmitting power are these do follow links, and they only have 8 or you guys only have 8 of them at the moment. So that's why your DR, which is your domain rating for your backlink profile, that's why that's so low at the moment. But let's go over to the Waterworks, who is in first place right here. I plug them in, and as you can see, they have a little bit better scores than you, but that's because they have 224 referring domains giving them almost 2,000 backlinks, but only 100 of those are powerful. So the best part about this is we can go into their referring domains, and they're all laid out, listed to be submitted for your business. Each and every one of them. We know it's working for them to rank at the top, so it'll work for you. Now I want to touch base on some keywords. Excuse me. As you can see, they're ranking for 407 keywords at the moment. And when we go in here, this is going to show me the exact keywords they're ranking for, how many times that keyword is being searched each month, and also the keyword difficulty. Now, the keyword difficulty is from 0 to 100, 100 being the hardest to rank for this keyword and 0 being the easiest. So as you can see, plumber, Columbus, Ohio, 600 searches a month with a 43 KD, which is a little bit high, but he's pulling 200 traffic from it. That's 200 jobs he's getting from this one keyword by ranking at the top. So let's go back. As you can see, plumbing, Columbus, Ohio, 500 searches for that. Columbus, OH, plumber, 150 searches. Plumbers, Columbus, Ohio, 450. Plumbers, Columbus, Ohio, 300. Plumber, Columbus, Ohio, 150. Plumber, Columbus, OH, 80. Plumber, Columbus, 250. There's tons of keywords for your area that by not ranking in the position you're missing out on all this traffic. 250, 200, 120, 110, and the list goes on. That's each job that they're getting from just this keyword being placed throughout their content, and it could happen for you if you did the same thing. So anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was your front page needs at least 1,500 words with those keywords spread throughout, so when someone writes it, Google recognizes it throughout your content, and boom, the link is created. The second thing we talked about was citations. That's your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I suggest getting 100, 200 if you want. That's more directories for your business name, address, and phone number to be in, and also you'll get in this top 3. The third thing we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1. I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. And remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just drop me a line or two and let me know you watched the video and what you thought. Thank you.